Hello and welcome to another update video on PENGU. Yeah, PENGU is one of the popular meme coins at the moment. It's performed quite well today, but also in the last few days. It broke out of our triangle pattern there to the upside. The support area held. The idea was that in this third wave, we should get to the 138% Fibonacci extension. But that is only the very first target. Yeah, I posted that today as a bit of an educational post on X, and I invite you to follow us there for additional updates. But it's just an important reminder that it's a big misunderstanding that people think once a wave 3 hits its target, a pullback must follow. No, not necessarily. Wave 3 is the most, remember, a wave 3 is the most powerful one and the most likely wave to extend. And it often, in fact, does that. It blows past the first target or the expected target. And if you expect the price to stop at the first Fibonacci level because the market is overheated, as you might think, you often get steamrolled by the momentum that's unfolding. So that's just very important to understand. Something I try to educate about all the time, because the risk is in a rally like that people sell too early. Yeah. I mean, you only know what you should do. It's nobody else can tell you that. The chart doesn't necessarily tell you that, but the chart can tell you about the current risk in the market. But anyway, we're currently potentially finishing this third wave. It can still extend higher, but we now have enough waves in place. Before, when we were moving in this sideways action, the minimum requirements for the third wave hadn't been fulfilled. Now they have been fulfilled. So we just need to be ready that at any point this wave 4 could start. Support is between 2.4 cents and 3.3 cents. But I have to tell you, until we break below at least this last swing low there, which is here at 3.58 cents, there is no sign of a pullback, and the market might grind higher directly. In fact, I would actually prefer that this third wave maybe pushes a little higher just to indicate some strength, instead of just pulling back at the very first ideal target. So the next upside levels, and there are two that actually overlap there. Yeah, if I go to the 4-hour chart, you see that the next upside levels to watch are in the area around 5.24 to 5.37 cents. So these two levels form a small cluster of resistance there that the price might even test with one more high. Now, if we get a pullback now, let's say we break below that last swing low that I showed you, then this support zone here will be relevant. And if we add the, I need to add that to the chart. If we add the VRVP indicator, visible range, then you can see that the point of control, this is where most of the trading has happened in the current range here, is around 3 cents, 3.05. That's basically here in the middle of the triangle. And that can be a level that is going to lead to some support, very close here to the 38.2 Fib level. So I think be ready for a pullback, but at the moment, I would say there's a good chance it extends a little further to that 5.2, 5.3 cent area. That's the update on PENGU. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, as I said, check out our X profile for additional updates and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.